Hey guys, it's Sarah from AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're going to take a look at the Edelbrock Victor II EFI intake manifold for the 2009 and newer Dodge Challenger 5.7 and 6.1 liter models. So this manifold was designed for track use, so it features a highly durable cast aluminum construction with a sleek black powder coat finish to resist warping and cracking even under intense heat. This kit includes the intake manifold itself, a cast oil fill, a plenum cover, PCV valve, map sensor bracket and spacer, and several gaskets along with detailed instructions. So this intake manifold features a similar design to the factory 6.1 liter SRT intake manifold, but features relocated fuel injectors and 14-inch runners for optimal high RPM airflow, creating significantly improved horsepower, torque, and throttle response. In addition, the front inlet can accommodate both the factory-style 80mm throttle body or the 92mm Hellcat throttle body. Now, because of the additional airflow, a tune is required for proper function of this manifold, and some supporting modifications like aftermarket fuel rails are required. Coming in at around $900, this manifold is for those looking to squeeze every ounce of performance out of their engine at the track. As far as this install goes, I will give it a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it can be done in about 2 hours. But that is going to do it for our review of the Edelbrock Victor II EFI intake manifold. And remember, for all things Challenger, keep it at AmericanMuscle.com.